My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman 88, and this is scenario 4, lesson 4. I'm already inside the software for time's sake. I already got the returns done for time's sake, and I'm just going to go through them in record mode to help you learn much better. So we open it up. And we know the first one is always page 1, which I'm not going to. From there, we go to dependents if you had any, and this one we don't. The next we have retirement income again. I'll go through that again because this is something being introduced new. So new information I'll go over several times in different videos just because it's new information. And so retirement income again, you're basically going to take what you see off the hard copy, put it inside the system. Once you've done those things, you're going to come out of it. We have a married couple, both receiving retirement income, both from the same place, different amounts, as you can see. Then from over here, they both receive Social Security because they qualify to receive Social Security. So in this instance, they got retirement money and Social Security money coming. And then we have on this side again, all the signature forms that you should be familiar with at this point, because we've done them over and over again. Miscellaneous. The only time this really going to come to play for this one is going to be for people who are definitely going through the bank products, which means they're not paying out of pocket, they're going through the bank products. So you come here and fill this out, husband and wife, name, the day's date, and you check this box here. But when in doubt, always come here and just fill this out anyway if you're not sure when it should be filled out. That way you don't have an issue. And if you don't fill it out, the software will let you know if you need to fill it out. So that's the great thing about Drake software. It's going to let you know what you need to do when it comes to certain aspects of filling out the forms and the returns to allow them to be processed. So we come out of here. And so basically this was a simple return. A married couple, they retired, they receive retirement income, Social Security income. We put those in, we go to view mode. And these are all notes about the return. They're just FYI information that you may or may not be familiar with. And that's okay. Then we go here to 1040 SR, stands for senior. So all senior returns are going to have the SR status. And that's the information. This is the money they generated. Total income was 6 figures. The taxes they owed on that money was $17,515. And so the federal withholdings was $12,116, which left on a balance of $5,523 once you include the $124 estimated tax penalty. And over here, for some reason, the estimated tax payments generated for this client, even though they are retired and they're not working no longer, they both receive retirement income and Social Security, and the software generated estimated tax payments for them. Generally, individuals don't make estimated tax payments, but certain instances they may be required to. So in this situation where they got 6-figure income and they're gonna owe money every year, then estimated tax payments will be required to help them to pay as they go. See, we in a pay-as-you-go tax system. So when you work a job, the company takes up your taxes and deductions as you go, as you make the money. And so we've been in a pay-as-you-go system. You're required to pay as you go based on your employment status or lack of employment status. So these are the forms that are generated based off the data we put in. And so you just want to come here after each return, take notes, realize what generated. This is a voucher that you're going to print out, that they're going to send to the IRS with their payment. And so they either going to make a full payment or they're gonna make partial payments. It's up to them. And so that's and these are the 1099s that generated the system that I gave you access to, that you use to put inside the software in the first place. These are the Social Security. They don't generate forms, they just give you a listing of how much net benefits, how much Medicare premium, any taxes they owe will be here. And so that's how they work when it comes to Social Security. So you receive this statement as well inside your email that you're going to be able to use to put in the Social Security benefits for both couples. So that's how we do that one. See you in the next video.